Good morning, children. Very good morning. Fifth chapter continuation. Last one of the important topic. One table is there. So yesterday, so far we discussed about the types of the fruits. Fruits mainly two types. Here you can see fleshy fruits and dry fruits. 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 Fleshy fruits. But what about fleshy fruits? The fruit coat that is called pericarp. The pericarp is very thick and fleshy, which is converted into three layers. Pericarp having three layers: outer membrane, middle membrane, inner membrane. Outer epicarp, outer epicarp, middle mesocarp, inner endocarp. Okay. So especially based on that concept, based on the characteristic feature of pericarp, the fleshy fruits are mainly five different types. Okay, first one berry. What is the first one, Nani? Berry. Second one drupe. Third one Hesperidium. Fourth one pome. Fifth one pepo. Okay, these are the types now. Okay. Hesperidium, berry, drupe, Hesperidium, pome, pepo. Okay, these are the mainly you can see five subtypes of the fleshy fruits. And whereas here you can see there are several types of the dry fruits. Here you can see especially dry fruits. Mainly you can see legume. Especially dry fruits are mainly based on the character. For example, either the pericarp that may break up and they can liberate the seeds. Either the pericarp goes to disintegrate, then it can produce the seeds. So based on that character, here you can see these are mainly dehiscent and indehiscent type. Dehiscent type and indehiscent type. Dehiscent type and indehiscent type. Okay, then after here you can see legumes, legumes and capsule. Next, Coreopsis, then nut, Coreopsis after nut, and then Cypsela. Okay, Cypsela after Schizocarp. Schizocarp. Okay, then after here you can see especially aggregate fruits and compound fruit. Aggregate fruit and compound fruits. Aggregate fruits 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 and compound fruits. And compound fruits. Okay, so this is the flow chart which shows the different type of the fruits. So here examples you can see Nani. Berries, best example tomato, grapes, guava. Berries best example tomato, guava, grapes. Tomato, guava, grapes. Next drupe example here mango and coconut. Mango and coconut. Hesperidium best hesperidium. Okay, drupe example mango and coconut. Hesperidium best example citrus. Hesperidium best example. Hesperidium best example citrus. Hesperidium best example citrus. Okay. Pome best example apple. Pome best example apple. Pepper best example cucumber. Cucumber. So these are the fleshy fruits. These are the fleshy fruits. Now coming to dry fruits, especially either the pericarp breakup or not. Based on this concept here you can see two types, especially you can see here dehiscent and indehiscent types. Especially in that legume you can see peas. Example of the legume peas. Okay, example of the legume peas. Example of the capsule datura. Datura. Example of the coreopsis. Just example paddy. Example of the nut cashew nut. Cashew nut. Example of the Cypsela tridax. Example of the chagiocarp acacia. Aggregate fruit example Arowana squamosa, custard apple. Custard apple. Example to the compound fruit jackfruit. Best example jackfruit and pineapple. These are the compound fruits. Pineapple and jackfruit. Pineapple and jackfruit. Pineapple and jackfruit. So this is the information. This is the flow chart which can show the about the types of the fruits. Okay, fleshy fruits and dry fruits. But what based on what concept these are classified? Based on the nature of pericarp. Based on the nature of pericarp. Based on the nature of pericarp, these are mainly divided into two types: fleshy fruits and dry fruits. Okay, based on the nature of pericarp, this classification process is going on. Okay, this is about the flow chart. This is about the flow chart gives information about the different type of the fruits. And the last topic table is there. List of the some important edible fruits. List of 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 some important edible fruits. Okay. List of some important edible fruits. List of some important edible fruits. List of some important edible fruits. Okay, list of some important edible fruits. What are the important edible fruits? Or what about the list? Here you can see biological name, botanical name, common name, but what type of fruit it is. Okay, we came to know by using this list. First botanical name. First botanical name. First botanical name. Okay, next common name. Botanical name, common name, and type of fruit. Type of fruit. Type of fruit. Botanical name, common name, type of fruit. Yes, synonym. Botanical name, common name, type of fruit. First here you can see Nani. Botanical name of the particular fruit. The common name is cashew nuts. Scientific name, botanical name is Anacardium accidentalis. Anacardium accidentalis. Cashew nut. Common name cashew nuts. Anacardium accidentalis. Anacardium. Okay. Anacardium accidentalis. Anacardium accidentalis. This is the Anacardium accidentalis. This is the scientific name of cashew nuts. Or what is the type of the fruit here? You know, nut. The type of the fruit is here nut. Okay, this is the Anacardium accidentalis, cashew nut. Common name of the fruit is nut. Next, Ananas sativus, pineapple. It is a compound fruit. Ananas sativus. Ananas sativus. Next, ananas sativus. Common name pineapple. Common name pineapple. This is the compound fruit. This is the what fruit, Nani? Compound fruit. This is the compound fruit. Next, okay, ananas sativus, pineapple, that is compound fruit. Next, custard apple, Annona squamosa. Okay, Annona squamosa, custard apple. This is the aggregate fruit. Annona squamosa. Annona squamosa. This is the custard apple. Annona squamosa. This is the aggregate fruit. This is the aggregate fruit. Annona squamosa. This is the aggregate fruit. Next, groundnut. Common name here, groundnut. Common name groundnut. So the scientific name of the groundnut, Arachis hypogea. Arachis hypogea. Arachis hypogea. which is a legume, Arachis hypogaea, which is a legume. Next, Ectocarpus, common name, jackfruit, which is compound fruit. Ectocarpus. Okay, what is that meaning? Ectocarpus. Okay, Ectocarpus, common name, jackfruit, which is compound fruit. Ectocarpus. Ectocarpus. Jackfruit. Ectocarpus, jackfruit, which is compound fruit. Ectocarpus, jackfruit, which is the type of the fruit is compound fruit. Citrus sinensis, that is the orange, scientific name of the orange. Citrus sinensis, that is the scientific name of the orange. The fruit is here, the citrus family, Hesperidium, the type of the fruit. Citrus sativus. Okay. Citrus sinensis. Citrus sinensis, that is the sweet orange, common name. Citrus sinensis. Citrus sinensis. Citrus sinensis, this is the sweet orange. Type of the fruit is Hesperidium. Hesperidium. Okay, Hesperidium. Citrus sinensis, scientific name of the seed. Next, Cocos nucifera, coconut. Okay, scientific name of the coconut, Cocos nucifera. This is the scientific name of coconut, which is a fruit that is drupe. Which is a fruit that is drupe fruit. Cocos nucifera, common name coconut, drupe, which is a drupe fruit. Next, Cucurbita maxima, that is the scientific name of cucumber. Type of the fruit is pepo. Cucurbita maxima. Cucurbita maxima, the common name cucumber. Okay, which is the type of the fruit is pepo. Especially Cucurbita maxima, which is the scientific name of cucumber. The type of the fruit is here pepo. Next, Dolichos lablab, that is the scientific name of bean. Dolichos lablab. Okay, Dolichos lablab. Okay, Dolichos lablab. Okay, Dolichos lablab. That is the common name of the bean. The type of the fruit is here legume. Type of the fruit is here legume. Next, fig, banyan tree, Ficus bengalensis. Okay, which is also compound fruit. Ficus bengalensis. Ficus bengalensis. Okay, Ficus bengalensis. This is a common name of fig. Fruit is compound fruit here. The type of the fruit is compound fruit. Compound fruit. Type of the fruit is here. Compound fruit. Ficus bengalensis. Okay. Ficus. Okay. Here you can see. Ficus bengalensis. Ficus bengalensis. This is the common name of the banyan tree, fig tree, which is a compound fruit. Okay, which is a compound fruit. Ficus bengalensis. Next, Lycopersicum esculentum, tomato, common name. The type of the fruit is berry. Okay, Lycopersicum esculentum. Okay. Okay, Lycopersicum esculentum. Lycopersicum esculentum. This is a common name tomato, which is a fruit of berry. Okay. Next, Lycopersicum esculentum. Okay, Lycopersicum. Next, mango, Mangifera indica. Common fruit is drupe. Mango, Mangifera indica, mango, Mangifera indica. Scientific name of the mango, Mangifera indica. The fruit is drupe. Okay, fruit is drupe. Okay. Next, Oreja sativa. That is the scientific name of paddy. Oreja sativa. That is the common name of paddy, which is the fruit type is Caryopsis. Next, 13th one, 14th one. Okay, Oreja sativa, paddy, Caryopsis. Next, peas, Pisum sativum. Peas, common fruit is legume. Peas, Pisum sativum. Peas, fruit type is legume. Pisum sativum. Okay. Next, apple. The scientific name of the apple, Pyrus malus. Apple, which is a pome. The type of the fruit is pome. So these are the. So this is about the list of nearly 15 important edible fruits list. Okay, you can remain the botanical name, and you can remain the common name, and also you can remain the type of the fruit. Okay, so scientific names also important. Each and every fruit common name, botanical name compulsory you should remain, and type of the fruit. Either the type of the fruit is berry or drupe or Hesperidium, pome, pepo, or either that is legume or capsule or coreopsis or nut or cypsilla, schizocarp, compound fruit, aggregate fruit, like that. Okay, so you should remind. Okay, this is about the 5th chapter, last topic. So far we completed the 5th chapter. Okay, thank you children.